So at least 5 minutes, you know, and we will talk about this. To have 5 minutes every day is better than talking for 1 hour a week. You know, you have to make it a habit. So you can start with 5 minutes. Okay, you need to enjoy what you're doing.
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Sorry for the interruption. Okay, this is the word here. I'm going to ask you all to write it down to make it safe with you. The word is discipline. Okay, I will call at least 5 words for all the meeting for 2 hours. So you have to make all these words yourself so that after the meeting we will tally these all, and if there is somebody who is with all these words, we will give them certificates. Okay, discipline, note it down.
Okay. So thank you so much.
Sir,
So we're done with the second pillar now. Yes. Any other comments?
sir, I have a question. Sir,
Yes,
sir,
go on. Your voice is cutting.
English improve ला drama जरूरी है.
I'm sorry, your voice is cutting. I can't hear you well. Okay, so let's move to the third pillar, which is basic grammar for speaking. This is something you need to know. This is very simple, that every sentence is composed of subject, verb, plus object, or plus the rest of the sentence. This is something you need to have in your mind all the time to remind you that grammar is not something scary. It's just something simple. You need to know how to structure your sentence. You can use present simple for everyday conversations. Again, if you struggle with grammar, try to make things easy for you. So use present simple, past simple. What else? Maybe future simple, maybe. So these are simple sentences you will not struggle with. The last point is to focus on conjugation and sentence flow. You know the meaning of this word, conjugation? Basically, let's make it simple. It's about subject-verb agreement. So for example, I do, he does. So this is subject-verb agreement. And it also means to use the verb in the correct tense. So for example, I do, I am doing, I did. So it's the same verb do, but in many different forms according to the tense that you are using. So this is the meaning of conjugation. Sentence flow is to have like fluency, to speak easily. Zishan is talking about much amount of vocab for speaking English. Yes, you need to vocab, right? Again, if you have a big goal, you need to make it easy for you or simplify it for you. So for example, learn 5 words a day. This is a really easy goal that you can achieve. 5 words a day, and you try to use these words in some examples and in free conversation. This is really important. Okay, so you don't need only to write examples, but you need to speak. All right, so these are the main 3 pillars about speaking. Okay.
Sir, thank
Yes,
you very
go
much.
on. Any comments here?
Sir, I have a question.
Sure. Go on.
Sir, grammar is important for English.
Is grammar important?
Sir, grammar is important for English.
Yeah, sure, it's important, but it's not. It
Sir, grammar
shouldn't.
is important for English.
It is important, but it shouldn't be your priority. Okay, it shouldn't be number 1 in your focus. Okay, so focus on expressing your ideas. Okay, you know there are many ways. Yeah.
Yeah, many.
I can't. I really can't hear you, Zishan. So I'm sorry. Can I mute you?
In the grammar.
I can't hear you. If someone can hear, I
क्यों क्यों इस पे बात करो
I'm
ना
trying to mute, but I can't.
बात करो ये तो इन्हें तो इन्हें सॉरी ये तो
Yeah.
मेरे टीचर बन पूछो ना हेलो
Hello.
what the power made is the two reels
Yeah. Zishan, please write in the chat because your network isn't that good. Okay, we can't hear you. All right, so let's move on.
ये ना आपने
This is about
ये तो बड़ा ही है वही में रह रहा
someone else is
Sir, I
speaking.
have a question.
Sure,
Sir,
sure.
sir, whenever I learn some vocabulary words, I use it in examples as well. But after some time, I just forget them. And while speaking, I didn't recall that words, and uh, I just forget them with time. I don't know
Okay.
why.
Yeah. Okay, I have a question. Do you revise the new words that you learn? Of course not, right? So you need to
Not
revise. This is one tip that, yeah, okay. This is one tip I was going to give you by the end of the session. You need to revise things every day, then every week, then every month. Okay? Revise what you learn every day, every week, every month. So you need to get back to what you learned to refresh your memories all the time.
Okay, sure, sir.
Sure,
Thank
sure,
you, sir.
sure. Okay, you're welcome. All right, now it's time for some secrets, tips, and tricks to improve your spoken English. There are some practical things you need to do. Okay, we're not talking about. Please, if you have
student
could you please mute yourself? Okay, thank you. These are some practical tips so that you can use immediately. So we're not talking about some technical, detailed, or complicated things. No, just simple things. So let's start. First, you need to build your confidence. Do you have any ideas how can you build your confidence, even if you have some problems with spoken English? If you have, raise a hand, please. If you have some ideas, raise a hand or write in the chat. No, I can't see the. Okay, someone. Yes. How can we raise our confidence? Take a deep breath and believe in yourself. Okay, good idea.